welcome back to Hannity, and we continue with our legal experts. All right, so here we are. Devastating week for the prosecution. We all agree on that?
Yes.
Yes.
Can they recover?
They can. Well, we'll see what happens in the future. I think that witness, the fiance, and the balance, even though there were some inconsistencies, is actually helpful. Some. Well, yes, her age, but she's 19 years old. She's a junior in high school, never testified before.
Lies.
She used the cracker. I know she used the race epithet, the cracker issue.
The little race issue.
But
she picked
at the end, and during that whole testimony, that jury was leaning over, listening to every word she was saying, because she was the last person that spoke.
You're a defense attorney. What happened to you?
I am a defense attorney, but I'm trying to be balanced.
I don't think they can recover. I think the case has been made. I think George Zimmerman, by law, Florida law, deserves an acquittal. This case should never have been brought.
I don't know what the evidence is going to show when they start showing inconsistencies. I don't know how strong the rest of their case is or the medical examiner's testimony, and I don't know what happened. I really don't. I'm saying the prosecution's evidence, what they have for a case up till now, looks like a train wreck, and I don't know that they can recover.
It looks like a train wreck, and the point that you made is why, but for politics, based upon what we've heard this week, would an indictment be brought in this case?
Politics.
It's very, very bizarre, and I think the girlfriend's testimony, on balance, is really bad for the prosecution.
Well, see, you know what, Peter? You've got a jury that's going to say she's 19 years old, junior in high school, last person to talk to Trayvon Martin.
I don't know what she added to the case.
She's an ear witness.
Help.
What did she prove? What did she prove?
She's an ear witness. She's last. Hey, I'm being followed. Trayvon, what's going on? I'm being followed.
By a creepy cracker ass.
Here's the worst part. She was the key witness in the case, and FDLE picks her up and takes her to interview her with Trayvon's mom. That's like in the Hernandez case.
I got it backwards. Creepy ass cracker. All right, so
that was like in the Hernandez case, going to pick up a witness who saw Hernandez fighting with Lloyd and sitting down with Lloyd's mom and this witness.
That's a great point.
Critical witness. You don't do that.
She proved a malicious, malignant, bizarre intent on behalf of Trayvon Martin. She gave an insight into what he was thinking.
Peter,
and he was thinking...
He's a kid like she is.
And he was thinking N-word. And that is not... the makings of a day at the ball game.
But I got to tell you, Judge Alex is right here. This is an important point, and that is, how is it that this woman goes with the mother
of the victim
and to be interviewed by the police
and the state attorney?
That's inappropriate.
The state attorney and the police interview her with the mother sitting next to her at the mother's house.
If there was a guilty verdict, I would say you can overturn it on those grounds.
That sounds like a setup. I don't know whether it was. It sounds like a setup.
It all depends on the jury.
It looks awful.
It makes it look really bad.
It really does.
It really makes our justice system look
the mother's not on the phone with Trayvon. Look, they're kids, 19 years old. I'm a defense attorney. We get these types of cases.
I'm sick of this. Listen, I'm sick of this kids argument. I heard
you know what,
last night.
Peter? He is a kid. And you know what? You've tried cases. I've tried cases. You know the juries can turn things. It's the age of the witness.
We don't justify kids' behavior by using words or thoughts like that. That's not.
No, you know what? I give her some slack for being a kid. I'm just evaluating her as a witness for the prosecution. In that respect, she damaged their case.
I agree with you. If that's the best they've got, they're in trouble.
I agree.
I think acquittal. And I don't see how they recover. And I think he deserves acquittal. This is classic self-defense.
But
it's a tragedy.
You need a strong judge to say, you're right. I'm going to give you that directed verdict. You shouldn't be here to begin with. This judge is not going to do it.
It's sad. I agree with you. I think this was a misunderstanding. Trayvon was under the eaves because of the rain. He was trying to defend his neighborhood because they had break-ins. A misunderstanding, a huge, huge tragedy.
And it's my hope that this doesn't set back race relations. And
I agree with you.